Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Leap card on trains. First, you'll need to get your own Leap card, which is easily available from many retail agents or online. Once you have it, make sure to load it with travel credit or a suitable ticket for your journey. Always check that you have enough funds before you travel to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience on the train network. When you're ready to travel, locate one of the dedicated Leap card validators at the train station. Simply hold your card flat against the validator's target area. You'll hear a beep and see a green light, confirming your successful tap-on. Remember, it's crucial to tap on before you board your train to ensure your journey is correctly recorded and charged. Upon reaching your destination, the next important step is to tap off. Look for another Leap card validator as you exit the station. Hold your card against it, just as you did when tapping on. This action ensures that the correct fare for your specific journey is calculated and deducted. Failing to tap off could result in a maximum fare charge, so always remember this vital step. To make the most of your Leap card, always remember to tap on and tap off for every single journey. You can easily check your balance using the convenient Leap card app or at any retail agent. Using a Leap card can save you up to 31% compared to paying with cash fares. For added security, register your card online to protect your balance if it's lost or stolen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.